Never truly know someone until you've walked in their paws. Homelessness isn't something to take lightly. Behind every tired face is a story, a battle, a heart still trying to survive. This wolf may be broken, but she is not finished. And until someone answers, she will howl. With a broken heart, a wolf with no home, torn apart. No place to sleep, no arms to hold, walking through nights that feel so cold. But there's still a fire beneath these scars, still a howl reaching past the stars. I will howl until I get an answer. The sky. You see the wolf, but you don't see the pain. The silent tears falling down in the rain. One more night, one more mile, I'll carry this hurt and force a smile. If you hear me, don't turn away. You never know what someone carries each day. Walking my paws before judging my scars. Sometimes the lost are just searching for stars. Until I'm hurt.